how you started your business, it can impact how you run your business. I want to tell you about something really fast that I've noticed while working with carpet cleaners and house cleaners over the last couple of years. It's a mindset issue I run to over and over that is hard to see when you're in it. One of the big mindset traps that people fall into, where your actual mindset, the way that your brain thinks about the world, is holding you back. One of those mindset traps is a lot of people get into this business as an owner operator, just looking to go and do the service and make a living. They don't enter it with the mindset of, I'm going to start a business, have employees, grow to multiple trucks, grow the value of the business, sell the business. They're not thinking that far down the line. They're mostly just thinking, I need to cover my own bills, or maybe even I need to pull myself out of a bad situation. Sometimes it's really hard to transition from that mindset, just trying to take care of yourself, cover your own bills, and build a business that takes care of you, to transition from that to being a business owner with a team, employees, and having to take care of others. That can be a tough transition for people, very tough. And I think a lot of people, they get stuck seeing the world one way. They build a business that suits their needs. And then when it comes time to try to expand their vision and think about how could I hire more people? How could I get more trucks? It's really hard for them to take that model that they've built and make it work with a team, because the model was never meant to work with employees. It was really only meant to work for you, to cover your expenses and cover your bills. So that's a mindset trap that I see people fall into. They struggle with the thought of, how am I going to transform my business from this owner operator model into a team model? How am I going to scale up from where I'm at right now? Maybe I should just stay an owner operator, because it doesn't seem like it's even possible. Sometimes you might even think, shoot, it would be easier to just shut my business down and start a new business using a new model, start a new business with employees and trying to build a team structure and multiple vans, multiple crews from the beginning. Maybe it would be. If you're starting out with the vision of, I need to cover my own bills, my own situation, and then you need to take the leap to invest in more trucks, a commercial space, hiring employees, paying for people's healthcare or their taxes or whatever, right? All those extra costs. If you're having to take that leap from owner operator into the team model, sometimes it's hard to make those sacrifices, because your brain is telling you, dude, you're already safe and comfortable. You've got your bills covered. Why would you risk all of that? Why would you leave this comfortable place to go take a risk and try to develop a team or hire people? Why would you share everything you've built with those people? And that's a mindset trap. It will keep you where you're at. However, if you're feeling trapped in that owner operator life and wishing that you had more, and looking at others and thinking, maybe I should scale up, maybe I should expand, start another location, add more services, hire people, whatever you want to do to expand. If you're having those thoughts and you're unsatisfied with where you're at, just realize you're going to have to make some sacrifices. You're going to have some mindset shifts along the way. That's part of the process. That's the toll that you're going to have to pay to get across that bridge from point A to point B. You can control your own situation. As long as you don't get yourself into too much debt, into too much trouble where you can't get out. That's the ultimate trap. You want to have the flexibility to where you could say, you know what? I don't like the model that I built. It doesn't suit me anymore. I want to do something else. You can make that change in your business. You have that power within you, and you can change your circumstances. I just want you guys to know that you're never stuck in the situation that you're in. You can scale up with the freedom knowing you could scale down later if you want to, but take chances. If you're an entrepreneur and you want to take chances and that's what makes you feel good and feel like you're making the most of your life, I get that. If I want to be able to look back and say, I took the chance, I did the thing.